What's going on, everybody? Jacob here with Asparian & Company, and I'm so excited to introduce our brand new listing at 755 Wesley Drive in Oshawa. Now, this home is an entertainer's dream. First off, you're conveniently located just a couple minutes from the highway. It's a great family area, but when we're talking about the house, you've got an amazing in-ground pool with a backyard that is absolutely private with no neighbors behind you. The home itself is actually a 3-bedroom, 2-bath raised bungalow with 2 self-contained units, but don't worry about me talking about it. Come inside and take a look, and if you've got any questions, never hesitate to get in touch with me. Enjoy the tour. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. If you can picture yourself throwing some amazing parties in this entertainer's dream, never hesitate to get in touch with me to book your own private showing. And until next time, have a good one.